Good morning, children. Yes, very good morning, everybody. I hope you all are good at home. Stay safe, Nana, at home. Right. Now, today we are going to learn a very new concept, that is in your mathematics. In your term 1 book, you are going to learn about addition up to 10. Already you learned what do you mean by addition in your UKG? Yes. So, what do you mean by addition, Nana? So, addition is nothing but putting all the things together. What does it mean? You are putting all the things together and you are adding it up. So suppose, say I have here 2 balls. Again, I have 3 here. So what are you doing? If I say how many balls are there? Will you say 1 and 2? One time? 1, 2, 3 the other time? No. So if I ask you how many balls are there, what are you telling? You are just counting all the balls that are on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are you going here? You are counting all and you are bringing all the balls together and you are giving your answer. So getting close or putting all together is nothing but the addition. Got it, Nana? Now, so 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. So these 2 and 3. Total how many balls are there? 5 balls. So summing up or putting all together is nothing but the addition. Alright. Now what is the symbol we are using for the addition? Yes. What is the sign? We are using it for the addition. Plus. What do you call this as? Plus. And what are the numbers 2 and 3? What are these 2 and 3 called as? 2 and 3 are called as the addends. What do you call these 2 as? The numbers that we are adding are called as the addends. Alright. Then what is the answer? 5. What the answer we got? 5. Now what is this 5 called as? This answer is called as the sum. Listen carefully, children. Addition is nothing but putting all together. Okay? Addition is nothing but putting all together. Now, in addition, what all the numbers we are adding, they are called as the addends. And the answer, what we are getting on adding the addends or on adding the numbers is called as the sum. And what is the symbol we are using for addition? Plus. What is the symbol we are using for addition? Plus. This is about your concept addition. Got it, children? Understood? Yes, very good. Now let us see. In your textbook, we have given some exercises. Now let us see how to do those additions. Now you know picture addition. Already you learned in your UKG. If you see your page number 75, you have given a pictures over there. So in this page you have given a pictures. What are you going to do? You are going to count the picture and you are going to write it in the box. Suppose I'm just explaining you with one example, children. Then you are going to solve that page. Now I have here how many apples? 2. 1, 2. You are going to write 2 apples here. Here how many apples I have? 1, 2, 3. 3 apples I am having. So I am writing 3 in the given box. Now 2 plus 3, how much? Now total how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. This is how you are going to fill up that page number 75. Given the question in the page 75. Understood, children? Yes. Next, when you are coming your page number 76. In page number 76, you have come across with a different sort of a question. So they have given you circles. Now listen, children. How many circles they gave? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3. And how did they give? They gave some boxes over here. Okay. Now, first you count these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, in the first box, you are going to write 4. Next, 1, 2, 3. In the second box, you are going to write 3. 4 and 3 are called as the addends. And in the final box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 is your answer. So, what is this 7 called as? Sum. It is very simple, children. You are counting first this and you are writing in the first box, and the second one you are counting and you are writing in the second box, and you are adding it up. What are you doing? You are summing up. You are getting all together and you are adding it up and you are writing your answer over here. Got it? Next we have the very important one. They gave you add. What is that? 3 plus 6 is equal to how much? Now, do you have here objects? Do you have objects over here? No, right? Now, how to do it? This is very simple, Nana. So, you have lot many methods to do the addition. So, one method is you are drawing the lines. But I don't prefer this method. You should follow. Okay, Nana. So, let us see how to add these things. Now, you know lesser number and a bigger number, the small and the big concept. Yes. Now, if you see 3 and 6 are there. Now, listen carefully. In 3 and 6, which is the bigger number? Which is the number that is big? Yes, 6. Only one fata, children. Bigger number in the mind and smaller number on your fingers. Bigger number in the mind, smaller number on the fingers. Now see, 6 in your mind. Put 6 in your mind and the smaller number 3 on your fingers. So how many fingers you are going to open? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now what is the number in your mind? 6. Now after 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is your answer here? 9. Very good. Now if I take 6 fingers, I have only 10 fingers. Can I open all together? No, we cannot open. If I draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you have to count it. Suppose you have done a mistake in counting this, then your answer will be wrong. Am I right? So these all methods, please do not follow. So whatever I am just teaching you, try to practice that only. Bigger number in the mind, smaller number on the fingers. Now the next one, let us see. 7 plus 4. Now 7, 4. Which is the bigger one? Yes, 7 is the bigger one. 7 in your mind, 4 on your fingers. Did I open up 4 fingers? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I am good at maths. I have opened up 4 fingers. Now 7 in the mind, 4 on your fingers. After 7, which number is in your mind? 7. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what is your answer? 11. Got it, children? Next, again we will do with the other example. Suppose 8 plus 5. What is that we have? 8 plus 5. Now which is the bigger number? First, whenever the question you are seeing, just identify which is the bigger number. So 8 is the bigger number. 8 in your mind. So which number you are going to put it in your mind? 8. And how many fingers you are going to take it out? 5 fingers. So 8 in your mind and 5 on your hand. 5 fingers. Now after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what is your answer? cutting. Is it not simple? Yes, here you have to remember which number you have to put it in your mind. So this is how you can develop your imagination skills. So put the bigger number in your mind and smaller number on your hand or on your fingers. Then you start adding it up. Understood, children? So this is how you can do your page number 76. So the additions, what you are doing it in this way, these are called as the horizontal addition. What do you call it as? Horizontal additions. Okay, children? Then in the next class, we will learn how to add the numbers using the number